Yeah, great, sir. Great.
Well, on this graceful morning, I am sitting on a mat. Wherever you are sitting, friends, sit comfortably. I sit in Padmasana. I take Namaskarasana, which is also called as Pranjali Mudra. Gently close your eyes. We chant 6 Omkaras, followed by salutation to Patanjali Maharshi. Take a deep breath, friends. Take a deep breath. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम् मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपार्करोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम् पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Friends, if we chant Omkara repeatedly, you know that it is called as Udgita Pranayama. Now even the sun is repeatedly chanting Omkara in a particular cycle. Sun is chanting Udgita Pranayama. From how many years Sun is chanting Udgita Pranayama? Sun is chanting Udgita Pranayama from billions, from trillions of years. Friends, Vedas and Upanishads describe sun in various forms. Today I have brought a beautiful sloka for you which describes the sun god. The sloka says, उदये ब्रह्मरूपोऽयं मध्याह्ने तु परमेश्वरः अस्तमाने स्वयं विष्णुः त्रयीमूर्तिः दिवाकरः. Friends, sun is Brahma in the morning, Sun is Parameshwaraha in afternoon. In the graceful evening, Sun is Swayam Vishnu. Sun is Brahma. Sun is Maheshwaraha. Sun is Swayam Vishnu. Patanjali Maharshi. Patanjali Maharshi was the father of modern yoga. Modern yoga is also called as Navina Yoga. This modern yoga or Navina yoga is approximately 3600 years old. Patanjali Maharshi hailed from Uttar Pradesh, Ayodhya. Patanjali Maharshi, it is believed that Patanjali Maharshi was the avatar of Adishesha. Adishesha is the infinite cosmic serpent upon which Lord Vishnu reclines in Yoga Nidra. Friends, today we shall see to the equation. We shall see to the equation L is directly proportional to 1 by B, or L is inversely proportional to B, where L is the lifespan of living beings and B is the breath rate per minute. Friends, as L is inversely proportional to B, as B increases, L decreases, or as L is inversely proportional to B, as B decreases, L increases. As the breath rate increases, the lifespan decreases. As the breath rate decreases, the lifespan increases. Let us analyze by taking some examples. Example 1. Friends, elephant is the largest mammal on the earth. Elephant breathes 14 to 15 times a minute, and the elephant lives for 100 years. Example 2, if we take a tortoise breathes 4 to 5 times a minute, and it lives for 350 to 400 years. Example 3, dog breathes 70 to 80 minutes per minute, and it lives for 12 years. Now if we take elephant, now the elephant age is 100 years. No elephant can live more than 100 years. Now if we take Chitatsu Watanbe from Niigata, Japan, has been officially confirmed as the oldest person in the world. Now he is at 112 years, 344 days as on 13th February 2020. Now he is living more than 100 years. He is 112 years, 344 days. Friends, this shows that man can live more than 100 years. If a man breathes between 14 to 15 times a minute, our scriptures says that he can live for 120 years. Friends, man is able to control his breathing. Well, if he breathes 6 to 7 times a minute, he lives for 250 to 300 years. If a man breathes 3 to 4 times a minute, he lives for 450 to 300 years. If he breathes 2 times a minute. Friends, you can calculate how many years he lives. Suppose if he breathes 1 time a minute, you can calculate how many years he lives. Well, friends, 1 billion. 1 billion is 100 crores. 1 trillion. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crores. Friends, in this human system, we have 120 trillion cells. I repeat, we have 120 trillion cells. If you take a cell, every cell is a big world. Now, every cell has red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, mitochondria, the genetic code, the cell wall. Now, it is a very, very big world. So, this human body is made of 120 trillion cells. Now, friends, in Bhagavad Gita, the 5th chapter, the 13th sloka says, Navadvare pure dehi, Navadvare pure dehi, Naiva kurvanna karayan, Navadvare pure dehi, Naiva kurvanna karayan. Now, what this beautiful sloka says? Now, this sloka says that now this system, this human body is made of 9 exits. Nava means 9. This is made of 9 exits. What are their 9 exits? Now, if we take the 2 ears, now 2 ears are 2 exits. 2 ears plus 2 eyes. 2 plus 2, it is 4. Now, if we take nose, this beautiful nose has 2 nostrils, the left nostril, right nostril. So, this nose has 2 exits. So, 4 plus 2, it is 6. Now, mouth is 7th exit. So, in the head itself, we have 7 exits. 7 exits and plus 2 excretory organs. 7 plus 2, we have 9 exits. So, this deha is Navadvare pure dehi. So, this deha is with 9 exits. Navadvare pure dehi. Now, coming to yoga, friends. Now, in yoga, we add 2 more exits. What are the 2 more exits? Now, if we take a baby in the womb of a mother, the baby in the womb of the mother is connected to, the baby is connected to mother by an umbilical cord. When it takes birth, if it comes outside the mother, now the umbilical cord will be cut. The umbilical cord will be cut. This navel, the navel will be closed. So this navel is also an exit. So 9 plus 1, it is 10. Then we have one more exit, friends. What is that one more exit? Now, if we come to the top of the head, now in the top of the head, we have Brahmarandra. So, this is Brahmarandra. Well, now here I am in a platform of the great evolved meditators. Now, this may be the experience of you meditators. Suppose if you are in deep meditation, now we'll be concentrating on Shwasa, Dhyasa, on Shwasa. So we are concentrating on our breath, we are meditating. Friends, many times you might have observed this. If you go to deep meditation, friends, many times you forget about breathing itself. you literally forget that you are breathing. Now, what actually is happening? There, now the lung breathing will stop. The lung breathing will stop, and friends will be absorbing the cosmic energy directly from Brahmarandra. The lung breathing ceases, you're directly absorbing the cosmic energy from Brahmarandra. Now this cosmic energy feeds billions, trillions of cells in the human body. Friends, if you know the art of absorbing cosmic energy from Brahmarandra, you can live for thousands of years you can live. Now, suppose if you take Avatar Baba, a Himalayan master, Kriya Yogi. Now this Avatar Baba is living from more than 2000 years. So, as if we go back to the equation, L is directly proportional to 1 by B, or L is inversely proportional to B. Since L is inversely proportional to B, as B increases, as the breath rate increases, the lifespan of living being decreases. As B decreases, as the breath rate decreases, the lifespan of living beings increases. Now with this, now I'm sorry, now you may be hearing you, just today I have only video, I'm not able to hear from your side. So 2 minutes left. Friends, we chant 3 Omkaras.
Shailaja, can you put a paper for him to see that he can
mantra.
extend the session?
So you take your comfortable position.
Not seeing.
With
he is not holding
the Pranjali Mudra,
okay.
Friends.
No problem.
Gently you close your eyes.
Yeah, maybe you
take a deep
yeah.
breath.
Yeah, you're right. He's closing his eyes here. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhavet Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Friends, rub your hands so that the heat is generated due to friction. Now gently
You place your palms on the eyeballs. See that the heat is sinking in the eyeballs. Stay for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Remove your palms. Gently open the eyes.
Thank you very much, sir. I know you can't hear us. Yeah, thank you, Shailaja. Thank you. We've come back to our primal communication means.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank
Friends, have a great day. Have a great day.